Hi everyone, I'm Liza. My full name is Faizatur Rahma and I'm third semester student majoring in English education at EIN Kediri. I'm sure you all know about listening lessons where you just listen to audio or video and take notes or answer the question right. So I'm here to give you recommendation for listening lessons from some source. In this video, I will explain my plan to teach listening skills through the demonstration method. We will learn how to make a simple greeting card while understanding the procedural text. With this method, I hope to provide an example to teachers on how to make a listening class more effective and fun for junior high school students.
The topic is teaching listening skills through demonstration understanding. Procedural texts for junior high school students. Target audience and purpose. The target audience for this teaching method is junior high school students. I chose this age group because the demonstration method can engage their learning interest and allows them to understand processes more easily by observing each step taken. For elementary students, the same method can be adapted to simpler activities, while high school or college students might be better suited for independent learning, as they are generally ready for more complex material. Teaching method demonstration. The demonstration method simplifies procedural texts by showing students the process directly. Research by Romat Umara title, The Effectiveness of the Demonstration. Method to Improve Student Learning Outcomes at Sikora State Elementary School, 2023, has shown that the demonstration method can significantly enhance understanding when the steps are presented in a clear and organized manner. By following a real example, students can grasp each part of the process and apply what they learn. Why I chose the demonstration method. I chose this method because it can enhance students' listening skills in a more engaging way. Through demonstration, students are encouraged to pay attention to each step shown. This not only helps them better understand the content of the procedures, but also trains their concentration and attention to detail while listening to instructions. Before I explain about how to teach in class, I will explain about procedure text. A procedure text is a text that gives systematic instructions or steps on how to perform an activity or achieve a certain goal. The main purpose of this text is to ensure that the reader can follow and complete a process correctly. The structure of a procedure text usually consists of 3 parts: purpose, necessary materials or tools, and steps. These texts are often used in various contexts, such as instruction manuals, recipes, experiment guides, or working procedures. In addition, procedure texts must contain clear imperative or command language and often include action verbs, temporal connectives, and detailed descriptions to avoid ambiguity. Body, materials, audio, tools, audio system, blank paper, pen, pencil. Learning activities. 1. The teacher introduces procedural texts, explaining their purpose and structure. 2. Students write greeting card messages, individually by following the explained steps. 3. The teacher plays a recorded audio that details how to write the greeting card message. 4. Students listen carefully and follow the steps, writing their messages on blank paper. 5. The teacher observes and checks if students are correctly following each step. 6. The teacher initiates a class discussion by asking questions like, what did they write first? What came next? To reinforce that this is part of procedural texts. 7. Once completed, students read aloud or display their written messages, and the teacher appreciates their efforts. Evaluation tips. The teacher directly observes students as they write their greeting card messages, noting any difficulties they may have at each step. Research suggests that direct observation allows teachers to understand students' difficulties in processing procedural information and assists in providing timely corrections. Brown, J. 2018. Closing. If you decide to try this demonstration method in your classroom, make sure the instructions are clear and emphasize the importance of carefully following each step. According to Romat Umara's thesis, The Effectiveness of the Demonstration. Method to Improve Student Learning Outcomes. At Sikora State Elementary School, Umara, 2023, the level of student understanding did not reach the target, primarily due to noise in the classroom and students struggling with the tasks. I hope you do not repeat the same mistakes found in that study.